Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a Netflix account. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. Now with that out of the way, let's move on. First step, you want to go to Netflix, netflix.com. Once you search for netflix.com, it's going to take you to the official website of Netflix. Now I live in Nepal, so it takes me to Netflix Nepal. If you live in USA, it's going to take you to Netflix USA. If you want to log in into Netflix of other country, you can set up a VPN of that country and try to log in into your account using a VPN. It should work, alright? Now once you're over here at the top right corner, you can see the sign in button. You want to click on it and it's going to take you to the login page. Now once you're over here, you can enter your email or phone number, whichever thing you use when you created your Netflix account. I use my email, so I'm going to enter my email over here real quick, but you guys can enter whichever thing you used, alright? After you do that, where it says password, enter the password of your account over here. And after you enter the password of your account, if you want Netflix to remember you, you can tick mark this over here. But if you don't, you can uncheck this. Basically what this does is every time you come to netflix.com, you don't have to log in into your account. It's going to autofill your login detail and you're going to automatically be logged in into your account. So if you want that, tick mark it. If you don't, uncheck it. After you enter your login detail, click on sign in, and if the email or phone number you entered is correct and the password you entered is correct, then you should be able to log in into a Netflix account, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into a Netflix account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.